Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have a Huawei Nova 8i in front of me and I'm going to show you how to check the security updates and the Android updates on this phone. And this is Huawei Nova 8i. This is quite a good phone, very fast phone, got 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and let's check how many updates are available. So in order to do that, you can click settings, and at the end of this settings you can see about phone and system updates. So we gonna check about phone. You can see Android version is running Android version 10, and I think the Android version 11.1 or 11.01 is available. So let's go back, check system and updates, software updates. Yes, it is available. It's a new version 11.0.1.262. It is available, and you can just click on check for updates. It's gonna take a while, and there we go. It's the size is 202 MB. It's not big, but it is available, and you can say download and install. It's gonna take a while to download, and then we are done. While it's downloading, you can still go back. You can go back from here and you can check the about device. In this phone, as you can see, it says Nova 8i NENL22. That's a specific model number, and it's currently running Windows 10. Android version 10, not Windows 10. This phone is not compatible with Windows 10, but anyway, this phone have two SIM card. This is a dual SIM card phone, so that you can see that two EMUI numbers. So it's this Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and total 128 GB of internal storage. It is a very good device if you want to do a gaming on it, and it is quite fast phone. There's no lags on this phone. If you play games like Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, you won't find any lags on this device. It can slightly get overheat, but it will never give you some lags. I tested this. Soon I will play some games on this device on the channel, and then we will see how it goes. So let's see how the updates are doing. It's 57% done, and then we're just gonna install them, and phone will restart, and then we are done. As you can see, it's 100% done right now. It's downloaded, so now it's verifying this update security package which comes into the phone. So now it's asking you to install this right now, or you can do it later, but just make sure that the battery is sufficiently charged, and my battery is very strong. It is charged, so we're just gonna say install now. And if your battery is less than 50%, so I recommend that you must connect to the charger, so then at least you won't lose power while the phone is doing update. Okay, the phone has been restarted. It's coming on, as you can see that. So now we can go into the settings, click the settings again, get into about device. As you can see that EMUI version has been updated 11.0.1, and your phone is fully up to date. So we're gonna go back to the system and updates, software update, and your software is up to date, and there's no more updates available. And that's how you check the latest update, software updates on the Huawei Nova 8i.